like to welcome you to London's Heathrow, where the local time here is 3:45. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. And when it's safe to leave your seats, please take care, especially when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and injure someone. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you and mind your step as you make your way to the terminal building. If you need any assistance once you've left the aircraft, please ask any of our ground staff or those of our One World Alliance partners. Be happy to help you. Please remember that smoking is not allowed anywhere within the airport building. And as part of British Airways' ongoing commitment to the environment, we invite you to leave any of your used newspapers on the front seats of the aircraft as you disembark, so they may be collected for recycling. From all of us at British Airways and One World Alliance, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It's been our pleasure looking after you on this flight, and we hope to welcome you on board again very soon. We wish you all a very good evening.
Meine Damen und Herren, bitte bleiben Sie so lange angeschnallt in Ihrem Sitz, bis unser Flugzeug die endgültige Parkposition erreicht hat und sowohl die Maschinen als auch das Sicherheitsgurt-Leuchtzeichen abgeschaltet sind. Bitte seien Sie vorsichtig beim Öffnen der Gepäckfächer, um das Herausfallen von Gegenständen zu vermeiden. Wenn Sie hier auf einen Weiterflug umsteigen, bitten wir Sie mindestens 30 Minuten vor Abflug Ihres nächsten Fluges am Abflugschalter zu sein. Wir wünschen Ihnen eine gute Weiterreise und danken Ihnen, dass Sie mit uns geflogen sind. Wir hoffen, Sie bald wieder an Bord begrüßen zu dürfen.
Manual and cross-check, please. Doors to manual and cross-check.